Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about chapter 7, reaching the age of adolescence. Some important questions, some MCQ, very short questions from the chapter. Okay. Now these are the some MCQ questions. First, the belief that mother is completely responsible for the sex of child is wrong because the child, okay. First, the belief that the mother is completely responsible for the sex of the child is wrong because the child, कि ये हमारी पहले बिलीफ था कि जो मदर है ये रेस्पॉन्सिबल है फॉर द sex of any child. So this is the right or wrong. First, get sex chromosome only from the mother, develops in the body of the mother. C, gets one sex chromosome from the mother and the other from the father. D, get sex chromosome only from the father. So what is the right answer? कि इसके अंदर देखो, first of all we know that mother have two XX chromosome and father have X and Y chromosome. So when they combine one X, it is XX chromosome. When this X chromosome is combined with this XX chromosome, this with this this chromosome is combined. This X chromosome is combined with this X chromosome. This is the XX. This X chromosome combined this Y chromosome. This is the XY. This X chromosome is combined with this X. This is the XX. And this X combined with this. This is the XY chromosome. It means this is X girl. ये girl है. This is the girl. This is boy. And this is boy. It means कि 50-50% chances of the girl and boy. But boy child is denoted by the Y chromosome when a offspring have XY chromosome. जब offspring के पास XY chromosome होगा, that it means कि this offspring is boy. तो it means कि this belief is that कि ये mother is not responsible for the sex of the chromosome. Okay. Now, तो what is the answer? अब इसके अंदर देखो, one X chromosome from mother and this X chromosome from father. This X chromosome from mother and this Y chromosome from the father. So what is the right answer? C. Gets one sex chromosome from the mother and the other from the father. कि एक सेक्स क्रोमोसोम हमने किससे लिया है? मदर से, और एक हमारे पास आया है ऑफस्प्रिंग के पास फादर से. That's why mother is not responsible for the sex of any offspring. Now, second, AIDS can spread it from any infected person to another person through AIDS. This is a sexually transmitted disease. Okay. Now, it is transferred, it is spreaded from person to another person. A, sharing food. Why we share food? अगर हम food share करते हैं तो spread होता है. Sharing comb, अगर हम comb share करें तो spread होता है. Blood transfusion या a mosquito bite. तो what is the answer? Because AIDS, there are many reasons of the AIDS. First, this is the sexually transmitted disease. Second, when we use infected syringe, this is the another way कि ये कौन सा है? This is the another way कि जो AIDS है वो ट्रांसफर हो रहा है. So this is the another way. तो what is the right answer? The right answer is that कि जो AIDS है, AIDS is ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन. जो एड्स है वो किससे होगी? ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन से, कि जो ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूज कर रहे हैं, दैट इज द वन रीजन ऑफ द एड्स. एड्स का भी ये एक रीजन है. देयर आर मैनी रीजन ऑफ स्प्रेड ऑफ एड्स. एड्स के स्प्रेड होने के कई सारे रीजन हैं, जिसमें से ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन दिस इज द वन रीजन. ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन भी एक रीजन है कि जो हम ब्लड फ्रॉम ब्लड लेते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी हैव अगर हमारे पास कोई भी नीड है ब्लड की, अगर हमें कोई डिजीज हो गई तो हमें अगर ब्लड लिया जाता है, ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूज किया जाता है, तो ड्यू टू द ब्लड, अगर हम सेम सीरीज यूज कर रहे हैं, इन्फेक्टेड सीरीज यूज कर रहे हैं, तो हमें ब्लड या एड्स होने की चांसेस पॉसिबल है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, okay, given below are events that leads to progeny and development of embryo, pregnancy and development of embryo. तो इसके अंदर सबसे पहले give below events, first of all fertilization of egg, maturation of egg, releasing of egg, embedding of embryo in thickened uterine wall. तो what is the answer कि which of the following option gives us the correct orders of sequence in which they occur? Okay, now first of all what happened? Maturation of the egg, क्योंकि at the puberty age first of all egg क्या होंगे? Mature होंगे. तो now second is the first, up this is the 2 second. Okay, now releasing of eggs, थर्ड पॉइंट, सेकंड पॉइंट पे क्या होंगे? When eggs are mature, now they are released. अब वो क्या होंगे? Release. तो this is the third. Now fertilization of egg, so this is the first. Now last embedding of embryo in thickened uterine wall, so this is the fourth. So this is the sequence. First is maturation of egg, second is releasing of egg, third fertilization of egg, and fourth is embedding of embryo in thickened uterine wall. So this is the option D is the right answer. Now next question, for the metamorphosis, what is metamorphosis? Metamorphosis, it means कि when a larva convert into the adult, larva किस में change हो रहा है? Adult में. This process is called metamorphosis and it occurs in the frog. ये किस में? frog में हम we can easily show, हम इसको easily frog के अंदर देख सकते हैं. तो for the metamorphosis of tadpole, which of the following elements must be available in water? इसमें से कौन सा एलिमेंट ऐसा है जो वाटर के अंदर प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए? ए क्लोरीन, बी कार्बन, सी सल्फर, डी आयोडीन. तो इट मीन्स व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? राइट आंसर इज डी, आयोडीन. ओके, व्हाई आयोडीन इज नेसेसरी? बिकॉज in the metamorphosis thyroxine hormone is very essential and due to the iodine thyroid gland क्या secrete करेगी? Thyroxine hormone. That thyroxine hormone is responsible for the metamorphosis. That's why iodine is essential in the water. Water के अंदर iodine essential है. Now next, the most conception visible change that occur in boys during puberty is, कि puberty age के अंदर कौन सा ऐसा चेंजेस है जो बॉयज के अंदर अकर होता है? मतलब बहुत जल्दी हम वी कैन इजिली विजिबल, हम उसको इजिली विजिबल कर सकते हैं. देयर आर मैनी चेंजेस अकर्स इनटू द प्यूबर्टी एज. बहुत सारे चेंजेस प्यूबर्टी एज में होते हैं, बट व्हाट इज द मेन वी कैन सी इजिली? ए डेवलपमेंट इन वॉइस बॉक्स, B increasing in height, C production of sperm, या D increase sweating. What is the right answer? The right answer is B increasing in height. तो height is immediately क्या होती है? Increase होती है in the puberty age. That's why we can easily observe the height of any बॉय. हम किसी की भी बॉय की या किसी जितने भी प्यूबर्टी एज में गर्ल्स बॉयज है उनकी जो हाइट है वी कैन इजीली मेजर, हम उसको इजीली देख सकते हैं. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, स्ट्रक्चर्स प्रेजेंट इन अ सेल which is responsible for determination of the sex of a baby is. Structure present in a cell. Okay, there are many structures present into the cell, but which structure is responsible for determination of the sex of a baby? What is the right answer? A cytoplasm, B cell membrane, C nucleus, D chromosome. तो व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? राइट आंसर इज क्रोमोसोम, बिकॉज क्रोमोसोम which is responsible for the sex determination, and second thing chromosome which is responsible for the genetic information. ये ही genetic information को क्या करते हैं? पास आउट करते हैं. Now some very short questions. Okay, unscramble the underlined word in the following sentence. Okay, now here find out what is the unscrambled word. These are the underlined words, they are unscrambled. हमको इसको वापस rearrange करना है. Reproductive life of a woman lasts from this and to this. And what is the meaning? यहाँ पे कौन सा meaning लिखा हुआ है जो मतलब ये हम ये कह सकते हैं कि ये अरेंज इन ऑर्डर नहीं है, तो हमें उसको अरेंज इन ऑर्डर करना है. तो व्हाट इज द आंसर? दिस आंसर इज मैनियाज. ओके, okay, this is the right answer. And what is this? This is the menopause. Okay, now next, the development of a caterpillar to an adult butterfly is termed as, what is the term? कि जो caterpillar है when it's changed into the adult, तो ये अनजम्बल वर्क है, इसको हम अरेंज इन ऑर्डर करेंगे. तो व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज मेटामॉर्फोसिस. ओके, नाउ द ओवरग्रोथ ऑफ डैश इन डैश लीड्स टू द हॉर्स बॉयज इन एडोलसेंट बॉयज. तो दिस इज मसल्स एंड दिस इज द लैरिंक्स. Okay, now this fill in the blank. Helps the body to adjust and fight and stress. Which hormone is responsible for the adjust, fight and stress? Adrenal. Adrenaline hormone. This is help to body to adjust the fight the stress. Now next, complete the following sentence. Okay, this is the fill in the blanks. What is the answer? A. In females, the uterine wall thicken to receive the. What is the answer? This is the fertilized egg. Fertilized egg. This is the right answer. Okay, now endocrine glands release hormones directly into, where it release hormone directly into blood for transportation of the target cell. Okay, now next, the sex hormone and estrogen. What is the sex hormone? Testosterone, which is released from the male. Okay, in the testis, from the testis and in the male, and estrogen it is released from the ovary in the female. So this is the sex hormone testosterone. Okay, testosterone and estrogen are the responsible for the development of secondary sexual characteristics. Secondary sexual characteristics. Okay, now next. Release of sex hormones. Release of sex hormones is under the control of hormone secreted from the which gland is called the gland of gland या which gland is called master of gland? This is the pituitary gland. And release of sex hormones in under the control of hormone secreted from the which gland is secrete? So this is the pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, it is a type of endocrine gland. Endocrine, there are many types of endocrine gland. One is pituitary gland. Pituitary gland, it is also an endocrine gland and it is a master of gland. Okay, so it gives orders to control या it control the hormones. ये क्या करेगी? Hormones को control करेगी. Now next. Give a suitable word for each of the following statement. The site which responsible to hormone. Which site is responsible for the hormone? कौन सी साइट होती है? Target site. Okay. Name of a gland which transport secretion through ducts. कौन सी ग्लैंड है जो ट्रांसपोर्ट करती है सिक्रीशन को? ग्लैंड through ducts. This is the oil gland. Okay. Now, chemical which control changes at adolescent stage. Which chemical control करते हैं? कौन से chemicals? These are hormones. Okay. Now, it makes the beginning of the reproductive period. Which is the right answer? Puberty. Okay. Now next. Name the hormone that is released by testes at the onset of puberty. Which hormone is released from the testes? Testosterone. Testosterone, this is the hormone which is released from the testes. Okay. And which hormone is released from the ovary? Estrogen. This is the estrogen which is released from the ovary. Okay. Name the female hormone produced by ovaries that help in development of mammary gland. This is the estrogen. Now these are the some short questions. Okay, match the hormones given in column A with their deficiency disease given in column B. Okay, now which hormone is responsible for disease? First is thyroxine hormone. Which disease is due to the thyroxine hormone? This is the goiter disease. Okay. Goiter disease is responsible for the thyroxine hormone, deficiency of the thyroxine hormone. Now, growth hormone. Growth hormone is responsible for the dwarfism. Okay? Growth hormone, this is secreted by the pituitary gland. And thyroxine hormone, it is secreted by the thyroid gland. Okay? Now next, insulin. It is diabetes. Okay, due to the insulin, diabetes occurs. Okay, and insulin is secreted from the pancreas. Okay, pancreas, this is the gland which is secreted insulin hormone and it is responsible for the blood sugar, and due to the this is diabetes, it is due to the insulin hormone. Adrenal hormone, adrenal salt imbalance. So this is the right answer कि salt imbalance it is due to the adrenal hormone. Okay, remaining questions हम हमारे next session में करेंगे. Thank you.